These are smart helmets, and they're so dumb. And today we learn what brings a helmet to market and why all of these save one
local Walmart right there on Colfax Avenue to pick up some supplies for the evening. I mean, middle of the day, nice neighborhood.
IPX7, which means it's waterproof, but it's not dustproof. So if you
Are you ready to take your motorcycle rides to the next level? Discover 40 must-have gadgets and accessories for 2026 that improve safety, comfort, and performance. From smart tech to essential gear, these items will transform your riding experience and make every journey more exciting and efficient. Bluetooth communication headset. A Bluetooth communication headset lets riders talk, hear music, and listen to directions hands-free. Fits most helmets and blocks whine noise. Great for group rides or solo trips. Price: $395. Integrated dash cam. An integrated dash cam records front and back video while riding. It helps catch incidents and scenic memories. Easy to install on fork or tail. Price: $110. Smartphone handlebar mount. A smartphone handlebar mount holds your phone tight on rough roads. It keeps your screen in view for maps and calls. Most fit all bike bars. Price: $15. Dedicated motorcycle GPS. Garmin Zumo XT2. The Garmin Zumo XT2 GPS gives clear routes, weather updates, and off-road maps. Screen stays bright in sunlight and is rugged. Price: $550. Beeline Moto Navigation Puck. Beeline Moto is a minimalist navigation puck that shows simple directions. It connects to your phone for routes and keeps eyes on the road. Price: $42. InReach Mini Satellite Communicator. The InReach Mini sends messages and SOS anywhere via satellite. Works without cell signal. Great for remote rides or emergencies. Price: $250. HUD Helmet Display System. A HUD helmet display system projects speed, route, and alerts on lens. No need to glance at gauges. Helps keep focus on the road. Price: $500. Weatherproof Bluetooth handlebar speakers. Weatherproof Bluetooth handlebar speakers give music and calls loud enough over wind. Water-resistant design survives rain. Easy wireless pairing. Price: $50. Embedded Smart AR Helmet. An embedded smart AR helmet shows navigation and alerts inside your helmet visor. It improves awareness and detail. Built-in audio too. Price: $390. Moto Wi-Fi Hotspot. A Moto Wi-Fi hotspot uses LTE for internet on the road. Riders can stream routes or share videos live. Works with many devices. Price: $85. GoPro Hero Action Camera. A GoPro Hero captures high-quality video in rough conditions. Waterproof and mountable on helmet or bike. Great for ride logs. Price: $310. Insta 360 360-degree adventure camera. Insta 360 records full 360-degree video you can reframe later. Lets you show every angle of your ride. Small and rugged. Price: $300. Helmet-mounted camera adapter. A helmet-mounted camera adapter lets action cameras attach securely. It holds steady on fast rides and turns. Works with many cameras. Price: $15. Rear-facing action camera. A rear-facing action camera records what's behind you. Helpful for safety and recording tail-end traffic. Mounts on tail or rack. Price: $300. Motorcycle dash cam with night vision. A dash cam with night vision captures clear video in dark conditions. Helps record stops and traffic at night. Weatherproof housing included. Price: $110. Portable tire inflator. A portable tire inflator plugs into your bike or battery. Quickly fills low tires. Compact and easy to carry. Price: $110. Digital tire pressure gauge. A digital tire pressure gauge reads pressure fast and accurately. Helps maintain optimal tire health before rides. Small pocket size. Price: $10. First aid kit for bikers. A first aid kit has bandages, tools, and supplies for roadside dairy injuries. Compact case fits bag or saddle. Good for long rides. Price: $40. Compact roadside tool kit. A compact roadside toolkit includes essential wrenches and screwdrivers for quick fixes. Fits in tank bag. Useful on long trips. Price: $300. Portable jump starter. A portable jump starter revives bike battery fast without another vehicle. Often includes USB ports for phone charging. Price, $52. Smart GPS tracker for bikes. A smart GPS tracker lets you locate your bike via app if stolen. Some send movement alerts, small and hidden. Price, $75. Disc brake lock. A disc brake lock stops wheels turning and has built-in alarm if tampered with. Strong deterrent at stops. Price, $20. Heavy-duty chain lock. A heavy-duty chain lock resists cutting and theft. Use with ground anchor or post for stronger security. Price, $80. Anti-theft alarm module. An anti-theft alarm module triggers loud sound and light patterns if bike is moved. Helps deter thieves quickly. Price, $130. Airbag safety vest or jacket. An airbag safety vest inflates on crash impact. Adds serious protection beyond normal jackets. Ideal for sport riders. Price, $150. Heated grips. Heated grips or gear warm hands and torso in cold weather rides. Adjustable heat levels. Powered by bike battery. Price, $32. Premium riding gloves with touchscreen tips. Premium riding gloves protect hands and let you use phones without removing them. Comfortable padding. Price, $18. Motorcycle boots with ankle protection. Motorcycle boots have strong ankle and toe guards. Great grip and support for long rides. Water-resistant options exist. Price, $8. Rainproof riding suit. A rainproof riding suit keeps you dry in heavy rain. Lightweight and breathable with sealed seams. Price, $68. Reflective safety gear and visibility strips. Reflective safety gear increases rider visibility at night or low light. Easy to add to jackets or bags. Price, $15. LED auxiliary lights. LED auxiliary lights boost visibility on dark roads. Many angle adjustable beams, durable and bright. Price, $112. Helmet brake light attachment. A helmet brake light signals stops clearly to drivers behind. Easy stick-on install. Price, $160. Tire valve LED lights. Tire valve LED lights create colorful light rings on wheels. Battery-operated and fun accessory. Price, $10. High visibility turn signal mod kits. Turn signal mod kits add brighter signals to your bike. Improve rider safety and clarity. Price, $43. Waterproof saddlebags or panniers. Waterproof saddlebags carry gear safely in rain. Large volume and secure straps included. Price, $120. Tank bag with phone mount window. A tank bag holds essentials and lets you see phone maps through clear window. Easy magnetic or strap fit. Price, $23. Tail bag with expansion zippers. An expandable tail bag gives extra space when needed. Fits pillion or rack. Weatherproof top cover. Price, $60. Mountable cooler. A mountable cooler holds drinks or snacks on long tours. Some convert to hydration packs. Price, $140. Magnetic cargo net for luggage. A magnetic cargo net keeps gear tight on seats or rack. Flexible hooks to hold odd shapes. Price, $17. Motorcycle trailer for long-distance gear hauling. A motorcycle trailer attaches behind for big gear loads. Great for camping or long trips. Simple hitch install. Price, $180. That's a wrap on the 40 must-have motorcycle gadgets for 2026. Which accessory will upgrade your ride first? Comment below and let us know. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell to stay updated on the latest motorcycle gear and tech.